Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wahpinas.com, and we're doing a quick unboxing of the Homtom C8. Quick update lang, I just finished playing for playing in the StarCraft 2 open ano ba yan, invitationals or qualifications for the PH team, no? And I've fought against Artanis PH. All I can say, damn, he roasted me, man. I'm dead! But it was fun. The only reason I wanted to join was to see exactly what happens, gaano kagaling yung mga ibang players yan, no? And apparently, I'm so overmatched, okay? Anyway, so we have the Homtom C8 here, no? It's now, you can buy it now at Lazada for 3,999. Okay, but when I bought it for cheaper, no? I only paid... Shorty, give me that. Let me see that. No, I only paid 2,799 for this phone, no? So we're gonna check out the, I'm gonna show you first the phone, okay? Nga pala, may kasama silang stand na binigay and a plug for the wall. I guess siguro yung plug nito kasama is round, no? Okay, so we're gonna check it out. Yeah, my friends are still laughing at me online and even the casters are roasting me alive. Ang wahpinas daw is for waiyak daw. Batukan ko kaya sila, no? Anyway, sinabi ng walang bastusan eh. Nasa rules yun eh. Reklamo kaya ako. Anyway, medyo matugong buksan to. Ayun natin of course sirain yung box, ano? Kasi we're gonna give this away also online. Okay? So, ayaw ng pinupunit, so tanggalin na lang natin. Shot, I'll do it, shorty. Okay. So, as you can see here, the box says it's 5.5 inches, 3000 milliamperes, 13 megapixels back, plus 2 megapixels, and front is 8 megapixels. It's a 640 by 1280 HD. It uses an MTK 6739, Android 8.10, 16 GB ROM, 2 GB RAM. Okay, so here's the phone. Okay, and the rest of the things that are inside. Okay, it comes with a silicone plastic case cover, the charging cable, which is micro USB, the wall cable, the wall charger, may kasama din siyang screen protector, I guess, here, and there's a pin. Okay, so we're not gonna bring out the pin anymore. I'll show you the charger. Ayun, okay, sabi ko na nga ba, bilog siya, no? That's why they gave me this one. Okay, so there, we'll put the rest of the things back. We'll bring out the case na. Okay, so here's the phone. I chose the color blue, ano? Uy, maganda yung itsura niya. Okay, merong protector sa likod. Okay, meron nakalagay sa harap. So we'll power it on. The power buttons and the volume buttons are all located on the left side. So it's powering on now. Pinagtatawanan ako ng mga kaibigan ko ngayon sa chat. War freak daw ako. Yeah, suntukan na lang. Okay, so we're putting the case yon. Yan na, so we're removing the plastic. It's booting up now. The available colors of, give me back my phone, Amel. So, wait, I'm gonna check there's 3 colors available: blue, black,
Gold.
and gold. So I got the blue. Parang lahat na lang ng phone ko blue, ano. So we're gonna skip. We're not gonna connect to any Wi-Fi muna. So makita nyo medyo malaki yung space na natira dito, no? Ito yung, ayan, no? So maliit lang yung technically yung screen compared to the other phones, diba? This is the Poco phone that I have. Okay, so the C8. Sa kanin date, never mind. We can, okay, So may fingerprint scanner siya sa likod, and it's supposed to have, it's a dual cam sa back. Now, okay, skip on it. So as you can see, it's already on. Meron na siya nakalagay na screen protector. Ayan, meron na nakalagay. So we'll show you the we'll test it with the other phones, other games also pala. So free space natin, we already use 4.75 out of the 16 GB, So we have roughly 11 GB left of the phone. It looks like it uses a standard Android Okay, so ayan, OS. So that's it. That's the specs. It's Android 8.0. Tanan! It's Oreo. So you can get this on Lazada and Shopee, The only reason I bought it from Lazada now is the fact that it was on sale na nakuha ko lang ng 2,000. How much yung Shopee? 2,700.
799.
Yeah. So if you're looking for an affordable phone, looks like this can work naman. It's 2 GB RAM, so you should be able to play Mobile Legends already with this one. But we'll be testing it out in the next couple of days. Ito yung pin niya. Wait, before we sign off pala, So where's the pin? We'll show you the type of the Yeah, kasi people usually ask me anong klase yung SIM tray that's included. The SIM tray is found on the right side naman. So baliktad sila against most phones. So it's using it, and then it's using the modified SIM tray. So you can use either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD. So most likely I'll need to use a micro SD here, since it's only 16 GB. One thing I find see may parang markers or braille or something above and below the buttons. So maganda yung color niya. I like the color. It's metallic blue, the way you see it. So the camera looks good naman, pwede na. Pero of course, it's not the same as the quality of the Poco phone or this Samsung M20 that we're using right now. So that's the quick unboxing for the Homtom C8, friends. If you have any questions, feel free to send a message or ping me on the messages on the comment section. Thanks guys. Bye.